So this is from a cooldown called Shape and Statistics. And the key point here is that the shape of your distribution, whether it's symmetric or skewed, will affect where you find the mean and the median and the relationship between those two values. In a symmetric distribution, so looking at this is symmetric, and it's that classic bell-shaped curve. I know it's a very flat-looking one. It's more like a symbol almost, but this is what we would call a classic bell curve. It's symmetric, it's bell-shaped. In this case, the median and the mean are both found in the exact middle of the distribution. So if I look right here, 1.4, that's my highest peak. That's the middle of this distribution. The left and right are exactly the same as each other. Again, it doesn't have to be exact. It doesn't have to be perfect. But what we will find is that the mean and the median are at the middle of our symmetric data set. So mean and median is right here in the middle. Now, if you look at a different data set that's skewed, what happens is the median might move a little bit, but not much. So in this case, the median would likely still be about 1.4. And actually, if you go through and you cross off dots like we've done to find the median before, you'll find it is actually exactly 1.4. So this is our median. Now, if we look at this, I started spelling that wrong. If we look at this is skewed left because we have our main peak here and then it trails off to the left. And what that does is it actually takes the mean and it pulls it further to the left. So my median is still going to be right there, but the mean moves over this way because we have a couple of these outliers over here that's causing my average to get smaller. So the mean in this case is actually 1.273, so right around here instead. It's been pulled off of that middle main peak because of the skewed data set. Here's a little more of what I mean. So this one right here, it's skewed right. We've got our main peak, and then it's kind of trails off to the right. The median is still going to be right around that main peak, but your mean is getting pulled to the right by these data points over here. When it's skewed left, just like the one we looked at, the median is still going to be pretty close to the middle. It might not be perfectly right there. It might move a little bit, but not nearly as much as the mean. The mean will always move more than the median in a skewed data set. So then the question is the mean greater than, less than, or equal to the median? Explain your reasoning. Is this data set symmetric, or is it skewed? And if it's skewed, which direction is it skewed? And what does that tell you about the mean? Same question down here. If you have any questions, let me know. I hope this was helpful.